You know, there is a television program that says, like sand through the hourglass, so are the days of our lives. But I want you to remember it now a little bit different. I'd like for you to remember it this way now. When the last grain of sand slips through your hourglass, what is it that's going to really matter? Do you think that all the things that you've been worrying about now is going to make a difference then at that last moment? Do you think the stress, all of the stress that has been going on in your life is going to really matter then? Do you think the unresolved anger is going to get you where you want to be at that last moment? What do you think is going to be important at that time? Let's just do a prayerful meditation.